Hi, this is Chinna Thambi. We have been taking this data science course with R and Python from June onwards. So we did this course for the past 4 months. So the course got completed in September. So basically everything went well. In fact, the trainers, the management, they were really very cooperative actually. So the trainers also they explained each and every concept very scientifically, mathematically. At the same time, giving specific examples, solving it and things like that. So we all know move like a family. So I'm very happy and satisfied. So the course is very useful. Now we are very confident that we can rather any data analytics, we can do by ourselves. So I strongly recommend aspiring data science to do the training with Besant technologies. Thank you.